Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Regeln für Aussprache, rules for pronunciation. Now this is rule for CH. If the alphabet before CH is E, A, S, A, U, A mit umlaut, U mit umlaut, O mit umlaut, then the pronunciation of CH will be Sha. Here E is before CH, then we read it ish. Ish. Ish means I. A before CH. Est. Est means real. Ash before CH. Then schon. Schon means already. AU before CH. Euch. Euch means you. A. O. U before CH, then Bücher. Bücher means books. Fächer. Fächer means subjects. Else pronunciation for CH will be Kha. For example, here is CH. Book. Book means book. Fak. Fak means subject. This is normal alphabets, not from Indies alphabets. Then if CH and EN is at the end of the word, then we read it shun. Here is CHEN at the end, then we read it München. München is a city in Germany. Mädchen. Mädchen means girl.